Here's something your tire dealer will never tell you. Right now, without knowing it, millions of American drivers are overpaying. They're dropping serious money on big-name tires that wear out by 40,000 miles. Meanwhile, a handful of brands you've probably never even considered are quietly hitting 65,000, 70,000, sometimes 80,000 miles. Fewer blowouts, fewer warranty claims, less money out of your pocket, and almost no one is talking about this. Today, we're changing that. I've gone through real-world wear tests, independent lab data, owner reports, and long-term mileage tracking, and I've put together a list of 13 underrated tire brands that consistently outlast the expensive premium names. Stay with me until the end, because the number one brand on this list, the one sitting at the very top, has shocked veteran mechanics with decades in the industry. Let's get into it. 13. Kumho. We're starting with a South Korean brand that most American drivers seriously underestimate, Kumho. Founded in 1960, Kumho started as a tiny operation producing just a few dozen tires a day. Today, they run production plants in the United States, China, and Vietnam, with research centers spread across 3 continents. That global scale shows up directly in how consistently their tires perform. Where Kumho truly stands out is the balance, price, tread life, and performance all working together. Their all-season lines, including the Exta and Solus models, regularly last 65,000 to 70,000 miles in real-world use. That's while costing significantly less than comparable Michelin or Bridgestone options. Tire Rack's long-term evaluations show slow, even tread wear. Consumer Reports has consistently rated Kumho high for value per mile. And here's something most people don't know. Kumho competes in Formula 3 and touring car championships. That motorsport's DNA filters directly into their everyday tires, improving grip and stability without accelerating wear. Warranty claim rates? Under 0.2%. And major automakers, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Hyundai, trust Kumho as original equipment. That speaks volumes. But if that sounds impressive, wait until you hear the next brand. 12. Falken. This is a Japanese brand that has been quietly surprising American drivers since the early 1980s. Falkner originally built its name on ultra-high-performance tires. And here's the honest truth. Decades ago, some of their models had real problems. Recalls, tread separation issues. That reputation stuck around longer than it deserved. But modern Falkner tires are a completely different story. Owner data and fleet reports now show mileage numbers that rival or beat many premium competitors. Why? Because Falkner tests their tires in brutal environments. They've won multiple Formula Drift championships and dominated off-road events like King of the Hammers, conditions that punish rubber far more than any daily commute ever could. That forces them to engineer compounds that resist heat, chunking, and premature wear. Their Wild Peak line is a standout for trucks and SUVs. Serious off-road durability that still handles snow, rain, and long highway stretches without burning through tread. The Akini series delivers stable grip for sport sedans, wet or dry mile after mile. Their touring lines, the ZX and Sincera, prioritize quiet operation and even long wear. Many Falkner tires now carry treadwear warranties up to 80,000 miles. And in 2024, J.D. Power ranked Falken number 1 for original equipment satisfaction in truck and utility vehicles. Their silica-rich compounds and nano-design construction also reduce rolling resistance, which means better fuel economy and slower tread degradation at the same time. And coming up next is a brand that takes longevity to a level even Falkner struggles to match. 11. General Tire. This is a true American legacy brand. Founded in 1915 in Akron, Ohio, the very heart of the global tire industry at the time. Back then, hundreds of tire companies existed. Nearly all of them disappeared. General Tire survived. That alone tells you something important. Today, General Tire operates under Continental, one of the largest and most respected tire manufacturers in the world. That partnership significantly elevated their materials science and quality control. And General's history of innovation runs deep. They introduced low-pressure balloon tires in the early 20th century, transforming ride comfort. They pioneered manufacturing methods that improved structural integrity, especially for truck applications. Those principles still shape every tire they make today. The Grabber lineup is their crown jewel for U.S. trucks and SUVs. Reinforced construction that resists cuts, chips, and uneven wear, even under towing, off-road use, and long highway miles. Owners consistently report strong tread life under conditions that destroy cheaper tires. But don't overlook their touring line. The Ultimax RT43 has ranked at the top of Consumer Reports testing, in some evaluations outperforming certain Michelin and Continental models in consistency and noise control. Smooth, quiet driving with grip that holds well past midlife. Mid-range price. Above average lifespan. Excellent value per mile. 10 Toyo. Quick honest note on Toyo. In 2013, they were caught in a price-fixing scandal involving auto parts and paid a significant federal fine. It had nothing to do with tire quality, but it surprised a lot of people. The tires themselves, however, tell a completely different story. Founded in 1945, Toyo now sells in over 100 countries with factories in Japan, the United States, China, and Southeast Asia. Their philosophy is simple: build tough tires that survive real-world abuse. The open country line is enormously popular among American truck and SUV owners. Gravel roads, towing loads, dirt trails, daily commuting. These tires handle all of it without rapid tread loss. Off-road users report tens of thousands of hard miles with minimal wear. Toyo tests their designs in some of the most extreme environments on the planet. The Baja 1000 professional drifting competitions. Those conditions force compounds to maintain grip under brutal heat without breaking down. They're also investing in the future. In 2024, Toyo unveiled a prototype tire built with over 90% sustainable materials. Their mainstream passenger tires already focus on low rolling resistance, which extends tread life while improving fuel economy at the same time. If you think that squeezes value out of every mile, the next brand does it in an even more unexpected way. 9 Cooper. Here's a detail most drivers completely overlook. Cooper Tire was founded in 1914 and stayed fully independent for over a century, while countless tire companies were swallowed by mergers or disappeared entirely. That kind of survival doesn't happen by accident. It happens when your products hold up year after year on real American roads. Cooper built its reputation on durability in harsh conditions. Intense heat, heavy rain, long highway miles, snow. Their tires are known for surviving all of it without burning through tread. Their adaptive traction technology helps the tread maintain bite on both wet and dry pavement. Snow groove edges improve winter grip and reduce uneven wear. That even wear is critical. It's what extends usable tread life significantly. The Discoverer lineup is where Cooper truly shines, especially for trucks and SUVs. The Discoverer at 3XLT earns some of the highest owner satisfaction scores in its category. Drivers report impressive tread life even under towing loads or frequent off-road use. Cooper consistently undercuts premium brands on price while matching or beating them on mileage per dollar. As the tread ages, the blocks stay firm. Road noise stays down, stability stays up. That's why so many drivers go back to Cooper for their second and third set. 8 Yokohama. Almost everyone recognizes the Yokohama name. Very few realize just how durable their tires actually are. Yokohama is legendary in racing. But what genuinely surprises drivers is how well their everyday passenger and SUV tires hold up against more expensive competitors on normal US roads. Founded in 1917, Yokohama built its name on grip and precise control. What long-term wear tests consistently show is that grip isn't just strong when the tire is new. It stays solid deep into the tire's lifespan. That's uncommon at this price point. Decades of endurance racing, where tires are punished for hours at a stretch, have refined their compounds to resist heat-driven wear. The Advan line is their performance flagship: sharp steering, strong wet control, respectable tread life for drivers who push it. For everyday use, the Avid and Geolander families carry the load. Smooth ride and long mileage for sedans and crossovers. Excellent wet weather performance for SUVs and trucks. Yokohama also uses orange oil-infused compounds that keep rubber flexible without accelerating tread loss, improving fuel efficiency and reducing road noise at the same time. Price, performance, longevity. Yokohama hits all three. 7 Hankook. Not long ago, Hankook was considered a solid mid-range choice. Today, they regularly stand shoulder to shoulder with top-tier global manufacturers and often outlast premium tires that cost significantly more. The numbers keep confirming it. Consumer reports, long-term owner data, independent testing, all showing the same result. Consistent wear, strong grip, and a price that makes you question why anyone pays extra. Hankook has been engineering tires since 1941, and they've invested heavily in advanced compounds designed to stay stable under heat, which slows tread degradation over time. Their tread technology reduces rolling resistance while reinforcing structural strength, which means tires wear evenly from the first mile to near the last. That's why so many Hankook owners report tires that stay quiet and smooth even as they near the end of their life. The Ventus series offers strong performance grip without the rapid wear typical of sporty tires. The Kingery all-season line is a favorite among commuters for long mileage and excellent wet braking. For trucks and SUVs, the Dynapro series handles rough roads and heavy use without tearing itself apart. Fleet operators choose Hankook specifically because the tires survive daily abuse while delivering more miles per dollar than most competitors. 6. Sumitomo. Here's a brand with an extraordinary backstory. Sumitomo's corporate roots go back over 400 years. And that long-term engineering mindset shows up directly in how their modern tires are built. Sumitomo focuses on stability, structural strength, and long tread life. Drivers describe them as surprisingly solid for the price, especially after tens of thousands of miles. They use rigid tread blocks combined with advanced rubber compounds that slow wear and promote even tread loss across the entire tire. The result: owners frequently exceed expected mileage. Highway stability holds as the tire ages, something that cheaper alternatives often fail to deliver. Wet performance is another strength. Their tread patterns and sipping efficiently evacuate water, maintaining consistent grip in rain. The HDR series delivers confident control for sporty sedans. The Encounter lineup provides dependable traction and long service life for SUVs and light trucks. All of this at prices that make Sumitomo one of the most budget-conscious choices on this entire list, without sacrificing safety or durability. Top 5. The Serious Longevity League. Now we move into the top 5. These are the brands that don't just deliver value. They've built their entire reputations on making tires last. 5. Firestone. One of the oldest and most recognizable tire names in America. Founded in 1900, Firestone became famous for equipping early Ford vehicles with durable, reliable tires. Today, the brand operates under Bridgestone, but the focus remains exactly the same: long-lasting, hard-working tires for everyday American drivers. Firestone uses robust rubber compounds that deliver predictable road feel and dependable grip in both wet and dry conditions. Their tread designs emphasize highway stability, which prevents the uneven where that kills tire life early. The Destination series is built specifically for trucks and SUVs that see dirt roads, gravel, heavy rain, and long highway runs. The Fur Hawk lineup gives drivers better cornering and braking without the premium price tag. Firestone's biggest edge is value. More affordable than high-end brands, consistent performance, strong tread life. Over a century of American engineering backing every tire. For Laufenn, this is where things get really interesting for budget-conscious drivers. Laufenn is a value-oriented brand owned by Hankook, and that ownership matters enormously. Laufenn uses Hankook's modern factories, engineering standards, and quality control processes. So even though it's priced like a budget tire, it's not built like one. In everyday US driving, Laufenn performs exactly how most drivers need a daily tire to behave. Dry and wet grip are solid. Highway ride quality is smooth. Road noise stays reasonably low. The tread designs are intentionally functional over flashy, which actually improves stability, comfort, and even wear over time. The G-Fit series targets commuters who want a quiet ride and better fuel efficiency. This Fit EQ leans towards sporty driving with sharper steering response. The XFIT lineup handles SUVs and crossovers across mixed conditions. They even offer dedicated winter options under the iFit series. There are trade-offs. Heavy snow performance isn't class-leading on all models, and wet traction can drop as tread wears down. But when you factor in price, Laufenn delivers exceptional value. A well-built tire backed by a major global manufacturer. A genuinely smart choice. 3. Nexen. Quality, comfort, and durability, at prices far below the premium tier. That's the Nexen promise, and they consistently deliver on it. Founded in 1942, even the name Nexen reflects a long-term vision. It literally means next century. They produce tires for cars, SUVs, and trucks, and they perform exceptionally well across everyday U.S. driving conditions. Owners frequently praise the quiet ride, predictable grip in wet and dry weather, and long tread life. Nexen uses artificial intelligence to design tread patterns and rubber compounds. They operate modern production facilities in South Korea, China, and Europe. And here's the credibility check. Nexen serves as original equipment supplier to Volkswagen, Kia, Hyundai, Renault, Fiat, Mitsubishi, BMW, Porsche, and Ram in certain markets. That means these tires pass strict safety, durability, and performance standards before they ever reach consumers. In the US, Nexen tires often cost 20 to 40% less than premium brands. Impressive technology, real comfort, long-term reliability. 2 GT Radial. GT Radial is the flagship brand of GT Tire, a major global manufacturer headquartered in Singapore with roots going back to 1951. Today, GT sells tires in over 130 countries with advanced factories and research centers worldwide. The credibility is visible. Volkswagen has used GT Radial tires on US models, including the Tiguan and Atlas. GT Radial is the official race tire for the Subaru BRZ Super Series, meaning it handles genuine performance stress, not just daily commuting. Drivers choose GT Radial for a rare combination: confident grip, comfortable ride, and respectable tread life, all at a price well below the premium tier. Eco-focused rubber compounds reduce rolling resistance for better fuel efficiency. They've also developed EV-ready tires designed to handle instant torque, reduce road noise, and help extend driving range. Their lineup covers everything. The Champion Series for everyday passenger vehicles, ATT and MT Adventure models for SUVs and trucks on and off-road, durable commercial tires for vans and light trucks, winter tires with reliable braking in snow, versatility, durability, no premium markup. GT Radial earns the number 2 spot. 1 Uniroyal. And here we are. Number 1. The most underrated tire brand on the market today. Uniroyal has been around since 1892. Let that sink in. Over 130 years of engineering experience. And yet they're still priced in the mid-range instead of the ultra-premium tier. That's exactly what makes them extraordinary. What truly sets Uniroyal apart is wet weather safety. This brand built its reputation as the rain tire, and it still earns that title today. The Rain Sport and Rain Expert lines use shark skin-inspired technology, engineered to reduce water turbulence and evacuate water faster from beneath the tire. The result is a dramatic reduction in hydroplaning risk on soaked roads. For American drivers dealing with heavy rain and fast-moving highways, that's not just a feature. That's a potential lifesaver. Newer models have also extended tread life and reduced road noise, addressing the weaknesses older designs occasionally showed. The All-Season Expert 3 and All-Season Max deliver long mileage, stable braking, and quiet rides in everyday conditions. And here's the backing. In North America, Uniroyal operates under Michelin's quality standards. In Europe, under Continental. Premium-level manufacturing. Mid-range price. That combination of wet safety, long tread life, proven durability, and real-world value is genuinely rare in today's market. While other brands spend millions on marketing, Uniroyal quietly delivers the best overall balance of safety, longevity, and cost, month after month, mile after mile. For drivers who want maximum confidence without paying top-tier money, Uniroyal earns the clear number 1 spot. So there you have it, 13 tire brands that the industry quietly overlooks, and that consistently outperform the names getting all the attention. Whether you're replacing tires on a commuter sedan, a family SUV, or a hard-working pickup, this list gives you real options that go further, last longer, and cost less. If this breakdown saved you money, or at least made you think twice before your next tire purchase, share it with someone who's about to go shopping. And subscribe, because we keep digging into the automotive truths that most people never hear. Drive safe, and drive smart.